I ventured out in the wasteland to pick up Micro Center's exclusive Atari Fightstick so that we would have retro gaming content to review. I'm a hero. Anyway, this thing is massive and heavy. I like it. But what's cool for those of you who like to get up in them guts, it comes with a key and encourages you to kind of mess around with the weird spaghetti massacre of wiring on the inside. But in the end, it's all about the control and the games. So let's go check it out. Emulation seems solid so far. Micro switches on the joystick, buttons feel good, and just enough movement on the trackball.
Very interesting, Mike. You should tell us more. Soon.